There are several different monkey and dog stories, ranging from classic fables about cleverness and loyalty to modern tales of friendship. Here are the three most popular versions of this story. 1. The Monkey and the Clever Dog, the Trickster Tale. In this popular folk tale, an old dog gets lost in the jungle and sees a hungry lion approaching. To save himself, he notices some old bones on the ground, turns his back to the lion, and says loudly, "Boy, that was one delicious lion. I wonder where I can find another one." The lion, terrified, runs away. However, a monkey who saw the whole thing from a tree decides to tell the lion the truth to win his favor. The lion is furious and heads back toward the dog with the monkey on his back. Asterisk the twist, the dog sees them coming and, instead of running, says out loud, "Where is that monkey? I sent him off 20 minutes ago to bring me another lion, and he's still not back." Asterisk the moral, wit and presence of mind can overcome even the greatest dangers. 2. The Loyal Dog and the Clever Monkey. This is a moral fable often used for children. It contrasts the dog's loyalty with the monkey's mischief. Asterisk the story. A dog and a monkey are companions to a traveler. The monkey often makes fun of the dog for being boring and too obedient, while the monkey spends his time stealing fruit and playing tricks. Asterisk the conflict. One night, thieves try to rob their master. The dog barks loudly and protects the luggage, while the monkey hides in the trees to stay safe. Asterisk the moral. Loyalty and reliability are far more valuable than cleverness without character. 3. The Monkey, the Dog, and the Mangoes, a friendship tale. This is a gentler story about sharing and teamwork. Asterisk the story. A monkey and a dog want to reach some delicious mangoes on an island in the middle of a river. The dog can swim but cannot climb trees. The monkey can climb trees but cannot swim across the strong current. The solution: the monkey climbs onto the dog's back, and the dog swims them across. Once on the island, the monkey climbs the tree and throws mangoes down to the dog. The moral: everyone has different strengths, and by working together, we can achieve things we couldn't do alone. Other famous mentions: Momotaro, Japanese folklore. In this famous legend, a boy named Momotaro travels to fight demons. He recruits a dog, a monkey, and a pheasant as his companions. They initially fight among themselves, but eventually learn to work together as a team. The Monkey and the Cat's Paw. Some versions of this Aesop-style fable use a puppy instead of a cat. The monkey convinces the puppy to pull chestnuts out of a hot fire, letting the puppy burn his paws while the monkey eats all the food. Which of these sounds like the one you were looking for? I can give you a more